In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix OBS black screen. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally anything you're using, like any sort of game or anything like that. But let's say you're having a black screen or you don't know how to record properly or anything like that. First thing you obviously want to do is just make sure you have your game open. Then we're going to go ahead and open up our OBS. Then we're just going to make whatever scene we want. You can call the scene, like press this plus icon, call the scene whatever you want, like if it's a game or anything, you can do that. Then what you want to do is press this plus icon, and then we're going to find game capture, like so, and then you can call it whatever you want. Go ahead and press OK. And instead of capturing any full screen application, we're going to capture a specific window. So now at this stage, all we want to do is find whatever window we want. So in my instance, it would be Fortnite. And then all I'm going to do is go ahead and press OK. And then as you can see, it's now on my screen and it's above my thing. And then obviously, because I'm playing on 1440p, but I'm recording in 1080p, that means I just have to like scale it and stuff. And then that's it. There we go. It's now recording. And let me just move it this way. As you can see, the game capture is here. If it was like below here, as you can see, you can't see it because it's a display capture, but you want it to be game capture, and game capture provides the lowest latency as well. So it's definitely the one you want. Now I'm just going to go ahead and delete this, but we're basically, whenever you want to start recording, once the game's on here, all you want to do is press the start recording button here. And mine's not showing up, obviously, since I'm using OBS to record. But also what you want to do is go to settings, go to video, make sure your FPS is on 60, make sure you're on at least 1080p for both of them. And you want a downscale filter for resolutions matched, no downscaling. For output, go over to recording, make sure you're on NVENC H.264. And for bitrate, you can do what you want, but I think 60,000 kilobytes per second is really good. It doesn't affect my frame rate, but it does depend on your PC. So you can experiment with this and lower it if you need to. And then for the rest of the things, this is what I would recommend. And you can just pause it and copy the rest. And yeah, it's as simple as that.